Who doesn't love an old Tri-5 shoebox Chevy? But if you have ever drove one with a stock suspension, you find out quick how bad the body roll is. Watch as we take you through each step on installing a front sway bar on this sweet '57 Chevy. For this application, we chose to install a solid 1-inch sway bar from Classic Performance Products. It comes with greasable frame mount bushings, end links, and all the necessary mounting hardware. Here is a list of all the tools you'll need to get the job done. To do the install correctly, the front suspension will need to be loaded with the full weight of the front end. In order to accomplish this, we use a set of Hopkins 6-ton Rhino ramps. This will give us enough ground clearance to do the install from underneath the front. Once you get the car up on the ramps, make sure you apply the parking brake and chock the wheels. Now that you have the car ready, the first step to the install is assembling the sway bar. Remember to grease the frame mount bushings with the supplied grease before putting them onto the bar. This is what the fully assembled sway bar will look like. Note that the dip in the center faces downward. Center the assembled bar between the frame rails. Bungee cords were used to help hold it up during this step. Rest the end link brackets on the bottom lip of the lower control arm. Use a punch to mark where you want to drill the holes. Feed the U-bolt mount bracket through the frame with a nut on one end. The nut keeps it from getting lost in the frame if you drop it. Optional tip here, you can tape up the U-bolts and paint the frame where the holes are drilled. This will help prevent rust in the future. Now you can bolt the sway bar up to the frame. Outline the lower control arm bracket location with a visible marker. Disassemble the end link and put the bracket back up to the outline. Now mark the outline for the bracket mounting hole. Use the punch and then drill the mounting bracket hole. Bolt the control arm bracket on and reassemble the end link. This is what your sway bar will look like when completely installed. Now it's time for the fun part. Back it off the ramps and hit the road.